Everybody wants a fire pit, and everybody loves it whenever you have one. You know what the hard part is? Getting the wood. The next person that wants to do a weenie roast, or marshmallow roast, or make s'mores, or anything like that is getting handed one of these. Right there. And then I'm going to point to a tree. Because at 62 cc's, it'll take down anything around here. I did that pile with a similarly designed saw. So this one has a 20-inch bar. This saw comes with everything you need to get started. Comes with bar, chain, scrunch, screwdrivers, direction. The only thing you will need is gas, mixing oil, and bar and chain oil. It even comes with a file for when you stick the chain in the dirt that dulls the snot out of them. I'll be adding a link below.